Hi. I'm at work right now, once again, of course, doing paperwork and whatnot. So I was like, yeah, I was looking at stuff online, like Mexico and like all these other crazy places I want to go. I'm in this really weird mood. Maybe it's because it's 8 o'clock and I'm one more hour and I get to go home and we get to sleep. Thanks in the mess. Yep, my life. Work and sleep and eat. Look, my roots are growing in. See? Time to dye my hair. No, I won't do that. I'm so bored. And I miss you when we come home. Same old, same old. I look like shit. I haven't worn my hair down in so long. It's been up, 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 up. Which makes my life so much easier. Alrighty. I'll talk to you soon. Tomorrow's my work Christmas party. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna eat. And I'm gonna leave. Yeah. It's like everyone, like all the stores in BC. Well, not BC, but like Vancouver. Oh yeah. Yeah, Vancouver. I know, like what? I'm just going to Alicia and that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.